ECG. So you just understand firstly the basics of the ECG. It is very important. Next, actually ECG going to consist of the 12 ECG leads. 12 ECG leads. 12 ECG leads. Now these are actually mainly divided into the two leads. These are actually the bipolar leads. And it is a unipolar leads. Bipolar and unipolar. Now in the bipolar leads are also called as, that is, Athon leads. Athon leads. You know, actually the Athon is the father of the electrocardiography, and these are the limb leads which are bipolar. These constitutes L1, L2 and L3. L1, L2 and L3. These are three leads. Next, unipolar leads are actually divided into two types again. These are augmented leads, and next is chest leads. So augmented leads and chest leads. Here you can see unipolar and bipolar, right? So here these are actually augmented and chest leads. Now augmented leads are actually again three. Again these are three. That is AVR, AVL and AVF. AVR, AVL, AVF. These are three types. And again chest leads are again divided into three types. Chest leads are actually 6. These are V1, V2, V3, V4, V5 and V6. So these are the 6. So these are total overall there is 12. These are 3, these 3, A3 or A6. So total is 12. So 12 ECG leads are actually the percent in the ECG. That is the point. Now bipolar leads are actually, let us discuss one by one. So let us first start with the bipolar leads. Bipolar leads. Before going to the bipolar leads, I just want to explain again in shortly. So let us, these are actually here. You can take color. So ECG. So ECG again actually divided into the 12 ECG leads. These are the bipolar, unipolar, and in the bipolar limb leads are present. Unipolar, augmented and chest leads. Limb leads are L1, L2, L3. Augmented leads are AVR, AVL, AVF. Chest leads are V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6. So these are the actually 12 ECG leads. Now let us go to the bipolar leads. Bipolar leads. So bipolar leads, let us so there is a concept called as the Athon triangle. Athon triangle. Right? So let us draw some type of triangle. Not by my drawing. Right? So this is your left arm. This is your right arm or your body. And this is your left foot. Right? So this is the Athon triangle. So this is called, this matlab, there are specific charges to it. So let us suppose it is negative, it is positive, and here it is positive, right? So it is the right hand, but we have to neutralize it, right? So left hand actually take it negative, here it is positive, here it is negative, right? So it is a left foot, left arm, right arm. So that is the content. This is the Athon triangle. That is the point. Now Athon law. What is the Athon law? So there is a Athon law. Athon law suggests that L1 plus L3 is equal to L2. Get my point? L1, L3 is equal to L2. So this is Athon's law. Very important for your exams. Just remember it. Now next let us discuss about our augmented leads. augmented leads. Augmented leads are three types. There is AVR, AVL, and AVL. Three types. Next, we have to these are augmented leads, AVR and AVL. So let us next. What suggestion? AVR. AVR is actually it is a positive and in right arm, and negative is combined left arm, and is combined left arm and left combined left and left. That is AVL. AVL is actually it is a positive left arm and negative combined right arm, and left leg. Next, AVF. AVF is actually it is positive left foot and negative combined right arm and left arm. So these are the basics of the ECG. Thank you.